happened to you? There's a snake in my house. Well, not anymore. With this big, heavy, giant math book, you can kill it right away. I think he died. Does he look dead to you? Bye! Have you ever been sitting with your pet snake having a good tea, sharing tea? Well, has this ever happened to you? Ugh! I spilled tea all over my pants! Well, not anymore. You can get your pet snake to clean it up. And make sure he licks it all over. And in 10 hours, it'll be clean. Has your room ever been a big mess like this? Not anymore. With the big shampoo-wow, it'll clean up the mess for you. First step is to cover your room off of the shampoo-wow. Make sure it's covered everywhere. Now that that step is done, all you gotta do is lift it up. Ta-da! All clean! Order yours today. Too bad it only comes in